Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Tash and I create a lot of beauty related videos. However, at the moment I'm doing 31 days of Halloween and finally a video with my actual hair. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, but I have no makeup on at the moment because it is a beauty box unboxing. So I'm assuming there'll be products in there that I can use to create a look. Hopefully a Halloween-y look, but we will see. The box that I'll be unboxing today is the No Make No Life box. This box is a Japanese beauty box with, I believe, beauty products from Korea and Japan. So it will be interesting to see what is inside. So upon opening the box, it looks like this. With a little catalogue thing. It has photos that people have sent in from their previous boxes, a list of the items included in the box, some features of the items that are in the box, and mini contest, as well as October horoscopes. So according to my beauty horoscope, I should be Harlequin for Halloween. However, I think I'd suit more of a Gemini, which is Maleficent. But that's just me. Anyway, let's look at what's inside this box. So the first item I pulled out is this eye mask, which is called the Lucky Wink Acupressure Face Mask. Wear this face mask 1 minute per day for healthy and beautiful skin. Can be used in the bath as well. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's this cute little cat-shaped face mask and it has the little pressure bubbles at the back of it. Okay, that feels really interesting. So this is a Lucky Wink Acupressure Face Mask and it's quite adorable. Perfect for this crazy cat lady. Next we have Happy Halloween Bath Powder. Unfortunately I won't be trying this out today, but it does look cute. What does the little booklet say about it? Enjoy a spooky orange bath with this bath powder after a busy night of trick-or-treating, partying or watching horror movies. Tip. Don't worry about staying in the bath too long. This bath powder contains the moisturizing ingredients, peach extract and vitamin E that are beneficial for your skin. This bath powder uses a unique blend of sweet milk aroma and Japanese tea to create a relaxing autumn-inspired aroma. Sounds like that would be nice. Next, we have a Bling Cat Eye Patch. This eye mask is by Tony Moly. Become the superhero you never knew you were with this adorable cat eye mask. It moisturizes, softens and brightens the skin around your eyes for a youthful look. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes for the best results. Cute eye mask using glycerin, niacinamide, can't pronounce that, and herbal extracts to moisturize your skin. That's cute. Next up, we have a bag of hair. Not really, that's just packaging. The next item is a pumpkin face mask, which I absolutely love face masks. So this is by Esfolio, which I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, so I hope I am. Pumpkins do not only symbolize Halloween, did you know that they also improve skin elasticity? That's why this sheet mask from Esfolio is an anti-aging boost, which even younger women can benefit from. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes for the best results. Natural face mask using pumpkin as its main ingredient and free from harmful ingredients like MIT, CMIT, parabens, mineral oils and silicones. So that sounds good to me. And I'll definitely be trying this out later tonight. Then we have these nail decals. Next up we have Pop Devil hair treatment. I'm not sure if this is a hair treatment or a hair dye. In the booklet it says, Halloween is the perfect time to try something wild. Change up your hair with the Pop Devil color treatment. In your box comes one of the 3 colors currently trending in Korea. Ash pink, ash lilac or ash violet. If your hair is long, give the ombre look a try. Apply to damp hair and leave on for 5 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, thoroughly rinse your hair without shampoo. Trendy hair colors that function as a hair treatment at the same time. So it sounds like it would be a dye, but I'm not sure how long lasting it is or if it's just like a temporary sort of thing. If any of you know, please leave a comment down below and let me know, because if it's a hair dye, I'm ready to dye my hair again. I love the packaging, it's cute. The next item looks to be a lip gloss. the little monster tag on it. That's gonna be part of this look today. The last item is a palette. And I got the character Merlin. And comes with a lip and cheek and 4 eyeshadows. Sanrio collaborated with the popular Japanese game Fate Grand Order to create these adorable makeup palettes. In your box comes 1 makeup palette with 4 shades of eyeshadows and 1 blush inspired by one of the characters. Okay, so that was everything in the box. So I guess now let's try out this palette and see what we can do with it to make this sort of a Halloweeny look. So I'm not sure how pigmented this lip and cheek thing's going to be. I'm just dabbing that on my cheeks. It's quite a cute shade of blush. Let's put a little bit on my nose as well. And try it on the lips. I'm just applying my base to my eyelids so I can start on the eyeshadow. So they're a bit sheer, but I was kind of expecting that because as opposed to, say, European beauty, Korean and Japan sort of beauty products are usually a bit more sheer because they're more on the softer, natural side. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by taking this one here and applying that as a transition shade. And then I'm going to take the brown here and I'm just bringing that in from the outer corner across my crease. I'm going to take some of the pink and then I'm going to take some of the lilac, I would call it, and just put that in my inner corners. Going to take some more of that brown and just put that underneath my eyes. Going to take some of my eyeliner and just put it in my waterline, but only about halfway, and just blend that out a little bit, as well as bring it along my upper lash line. And I'm trying to figure out a way to make this look a little bit more Halloweeny without using too many products that aren't from this box. So I think I'll take some more of that blush and just really pack that on my cheeks and bring that over my nose. Going to take a bobby pin and some brown, and I'm just going to dab on some little freckle type things. I'm also adding a little bit of that blush just above my lip because I've noticed the flushed sort of lip look is very popular. Now for the finishing touch, I'm going to try some of this lip gloss. And personally, I'm not a fan of lip gloss. Oh, it smells so good. It doesn't actually feel sticky like most lip glosses do, so that's a plus. Okay, so this is my finished No Make, No Life makeup look. This is the most Halloweeny I could probably do with minimal amount of products. It's more of a softer Halloween look for me. If you're looking for more videos that are more amplified with makeup and more Halloweeny, then be sure to check out my 31 Days of Halloween playlist. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next 31 Days of Halloween video. Bye!